In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove clickable chart actions in Power BI. If you've ever clicked a bar in one chart and watched the rest of your report change, that's Power BI's default visual interaction at work. It's useful for exploration, but sometimes you want a chart to stand on its own and not trigger changes elsewhere. Here's how to turn off those clickable actions for a specific visual while keeping everything else intact. Start by selecting the visual that you don't want to affect the other charts. You'll know it's selected when you see the frame and handles around it. With that visual active, go to the ribbon at the top and choose the Format tab. This tab controls formatting and behavior for visuals, and it's where the interaction controls live. Next, click Edit Interactions. As soon as you do, small icons will appear over every other visual on the page. These are the interaction controls for each target visual, relative to the one you selected. You'll see options like filtering or highlighting, and you'll also see a cancel icon, the one that looks like a crossed out circle. That cancel icon tells Power BI, do not let this selected visual change this other visual. Click the cancel icon on each of the other visuals you don't want to be affected by your selected chart. You can be selective here. If you want some visuals to remain interactive and others to stay unchanged, simply apply the cancel icon to the ones you want to keep steady and leave the rest as they are. Take a moment to scan the page and confirm you've set the cancel icon on all the visuals you want protected. Now, test it. Click on the chart you configured and interact with a data point. You'll notice the other visuals you marked with the cancel icon stay exactly the same. They no longer filter or highlight based on your click. Meanwhile, any visuals you didn't cancel will still respond as usual. This gives you precise control over which visuals drive the analysis and which remain static for context. Remember, these interaction settings are defined for the current report page and are specific to the relationship between the selected visual and each target visual. If you need the same behavior elsewhere, repeat the same quick steps on that page. And that's all. With just a few clicks, you've removed the clickable chart actions you didn't want, keeping your report focused and easy to read.